Hi everyone, it's Melissa Phillips, and today I'm here creating a cute card using the Home is Where the Heart Is stamp set and dies for paper tray ink. So let's get started. I began with polished points in white and in vellum, and I just ink blended the top of my medium sized polished points using some aqua ink, and then used peacock feathers for some splatters and a little bit of fossilized amber to bring in some gold flecks. Set that aside to dry and added my pattern paper, which was cut using the rounded rectangles pierced. Next I added my vellum polished point and then my solid white polished point. Next comes the Home is Where the Heart Is dies. I cut this portion from pattern paper and just added a little bit of ink shading around the edges, and then cut the roof from classic craft cardstock. I'm just going to adhere those using some foam adhesive and start building my house. I add a door cut using craft cardstock and some arched windows. Next I add the window frames that were cut using white cardstock. I'm going with a really subtle color scheme on this card today. Then come the shutters, which were cut using some pattern paper in a really soft green. And then we're going to add some greenery and florals. These are part of the Home is Where the Heart Is die collection. I'm just going to ink blend those using two different shades of green. And then I'll adhere them to the base of my home so that they kind of protrude from the sides and add some fullness. The blossoms I'm going to color in a soft summer sunrise from paper tray ink. I'm adding a heart here to the center of the door. Here come the flowers. I'm not going to ink blend them too solidly. I just kind of want a soft, subtle shading of the yellow. And then I'm going to adhere them to either side of my house. Next come clouds in the sky. All of these dies are from the Home is Where the Heart Is collection. And then the fun, whimsical trees I'm just going to adhere behind my scene. I need to lift these dies a little bit to get my tree to fit in snug behind my florals. And then I'll add that blossom one more time. I'm adding the grass, which is just a fun, cute little oval. I don't know if you'd call it grass or just a fun little landing place for your home. I'm adding my fossilized amber flecks right now, and some white paint splatters. And now my sentiment from the Home is Where the Heart Is stamp set, stamped on a double-ended banner die. I've used pattern paper for this in a soft pink. And I'm just going to adhere that beneath my home. Now I'm adhering it to a sweet blush card base. Felt like I needed something at the very top, so I've die cut a bow from the Bows Galore die collection, and I'm just adding that at the top. And then some opaque adhesive gems. just scatter those across the front, and lastly finishing with some crystal stickles glitter. And I pretty much add this to each portion of my home. The flowers, the grass, the windows, the heart on the door, the roof, the clouds. And that's it. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you have a wonderful Saturday. See you next time.